SMEs waste 9 hours weekly on tasks automation could handle instantly. What if your business ran itself overnight? Why manual workflows are killing you. Every hour spent copy-pasting data or chasing invoices is an hour not spent growing. A typical 12-person Dublin agency loses 2 full days a week to repetitive admin. That's not a productivity problem. It's a workflow problem, and it's 100% fixable. What n8n actually does. n8n connects your apps and triggers actions automatically. No code, just drag and drop. Think new WooCommerce order, update spreadsheet, send Slack alert, create invoice. 1 trigger, 4 actions, 0 human involvement. It runs 24/7 in the background. Adding AI makes it smarter. Plug an AI model into your n8n workflow and it stops being just automation. It starts making decisions. A 50-person logistics firm can route support emails by urgency automatically. AI reads the message, classifies it, and assigns it. No inbox monitoring needed. 3 workflows to build first. Start with lead capture, form submission, CRM entry, personalized follow-up email. Then automate invoice chasing, overdue flag, reminder email, Slack owner alert. Third, weekly reporting. Pull data, summarize with AI, email the PDF, all under 2 hours to set up. What this costs and what it saves. n8n self-hosted is free. Cloud starts at $20 a month. A single automated workflow replacing 3 hours of weekly admin pays back in week 1. McKinsey Digital, 2025, found SMEs using workflow automation cut operational costs by up to 30% within 6 months. Key takeaways. Connect your apps with n8n today. Add AI to handle decisions automatically. Start with 3 high-impact workflows. Self-hosted n8n costs you nothing. Subscribe. New AI tools for SMEs every week. Subscribe now.